I do want to say this about Captain Mike. Immediately when we drove up, I feel very welcomed and very blessed to have made such friends as Captain Mike and Bo. You know, we all meshed real well. It wasn't very long till kind of started exchanging a little ribbon on both sides. So, you know, you couldn't ask for a better guide service. Captain Mike and Bo really treated us like family, as Chris mentioned before as well. So certainly highly recommend anybody to go take a trip down to the coast, check out Double H's guide service. I guarantee it'd be worth the trip.
When you go to the coast and you're trying to catch trout, you can keep up to 10 a day, and that's per person per day. Both days we caught 10 each, and you know, we caught a lot more fish than that, but we didn't keep them. You can't keep a fish under a certain length, and you don't want to keep the big fish if you're planning on eating them. You know, for a trophy or something like that, if you wanted to have one of those trout mounted, then you should keep a big one. But the bigger they get and the older they get, they don't taste as good. So we threw a lot of fish back. I think the first morning we probably caught 50-something fish, and we kept 30 of those 50. The second morning we probably didn't release quite as many.
Right. He's going to Dallas. He's pretty. Pretty. 30.
All right. Another limit.
The limit the second day was we caught 30. You can catch 10 trout per person. We got 30 the first day and we got 30 the second day.
The time frame when we went down to the coast and fished this year was early June. Captain Mike has invited us back in early October when the bull reds start coming into the bay, and we plan on going back and, you know, trying to target those fish. You know, there are a lot of small reds in the bay right now, you know, small to medium sized reds, but the big bull reds, they don't come in the bay because, you know, it's just not that time of year for them. So about October, we're going to be heading back down there, and we're going to be doing the same thing to the redfish.